Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a beef stroganoff. Stroganoff. You know that's Russian, right? Tonight we're going to do the original Russian recipe of beef stroganoff. Here's all the fixins. Let's add it. Set your bone up on their edges. Throw some high temperature oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. And then add butter, wine. You're going to stick it into the oven at 450 between 35 and 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on her. And then you'll see those babies when they come out. And then you're going to put them into your stock pot with a gallon of spring water and let them boil. In the meantime, you're going to sear up some stew meat because, you know, you want the flavor. And then you're going to be putting that in with the bones. And then you're going to let it reduce down at least 50%. Pull all the stuff out. You're going to strain it through your chinois to get the big stuff off. And then you're going to use a muslin cloth. And then you got yourself absolutely pure beef stock. Now let's get down to it. All right, we're going to be crushing up the allspice the way Mama Neri used to do it. Her version of a mortar and pestle. And then the mustard seed, that's a little harder, but hey, here's how you do it. Dice up your meat into 1-inch chunks, and then throw in all the allspice, and then toss her around, mix them up pretty good, and then get her ready, because it's stroganoff time. Everything's ready here. We got the beef stock. I got some garnets over there, kale, of course, mustard seed, and a little lemon and sour cream. All right. Garnets take the longest, so we're going to put those in first. Now we're going to put the beef in and get that all browned up. And then we pour in the beef stock. Then the roux. Add sour cream. The mustard, and then you're going to stir it and cover it and get the kale on. Okay, serving time. You know what that means. We're going to do a portrait ring of kale, lemon, pepper, parmesan, and then we're going to put those beautiful garnets in the middle, and then the stroganoff on top of that. Add the ragu, absolutely wonderful, a little mustard, and there you have it. What a beautiful meal. Beef stroganoff. No onions, no mushrooms. We have allspice for the meat and mustard, black mustard, for the sauce. Beef stroganoff on a bed of red garnet potatoes and kale. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.